It's the 7th of May, and as you can see, I've done nothing about creating a new stand for this tree, and I've left it too late for repotting, so I'm gonna just do some work on it in situ for this year. Get rid of the weeds, take off the top layer of soil, and give it some feed and a fresh layer of soil on top, cut it back, and let it grow for this year. Okay, so it's a strange old world, bonsai. Yesterday I was up a step ladder working on one of my trees. It's a tall tree in a heavy pot, and I didn't want to move it off the bench. And today I'm on my hands and knees on a kneeling pad working on another tree that is heavy and in a heavy pot. So what I'm going to try and do is pull out all of these weeds, get rid of those, so that I can add a top layer of a fresh bonsai compost with some fertilizer in it, and feed these trees up. As I say, it's really, I've left it too late for repotting. I still hope to build a better stand for it to go on than this upturned sort of stacker box container thingy. I'll turn the camera off and get on with doing this, and then we'll come back in a minute. Okay, so I've got almost all the root out, all the weeds out, apart from a big root of dandelion that I wasn't able to get out, and I may have to wait until the leaves come back up again, then I can use a contact weed killer on it or something. But I've also got a little birch seedling here. If I can just get underneath and pull out like so. It's a little twin trunk birch. Always worth keeping an eye out in your pots for something like that. That could make quite a nice little tree one day. I'm going to put it in this thing of water next to me for now. I may forget about it later. I have got a lot of birch, but it's I thought it was worth mentioning. Okay, so I'm going to add controlled release fertilizer to this, quite a handful because it's a big pot, and there are, as I say, 5 trees around this big chunk of rock, and although they're partially fused, it's still, well, still pretty much 5 cardiovascular systems, if that's the word. It's not the word, is it? They don't have hearts. What am I talking about? But you know, I guess what I'm trying to say. It's not one organism as yet. So we'll just fill in around over the top of that, and that pile of job's a good one. Chop back some of these long branches and let the tree grow again. I still have some issues with this tree where it is not, they have not completely conformed and moulded to the rock yet. I've got a branch running underneath here to try and fill in a gap, and I still have a gap, as you can see, between the rocks and the trunks. Even though the trunks have thickened considerably, it's almost as if, well, they weren't flexible enough for me to actually have them adhere directly to the rock when I fitted them round, and as they've grown, they still haven't fused to the rock, as it were. They haven't moulded themselves in. I'm just going to keep cutting back. This is the trunk line. It's sort of going away and back up again. I'm just going to bring all these branches and things in, with the exception of this one, which, as I say, is this branch, which I want to fatten up, help fill in that gap. I can't even give you a proper 360 on this tree, because it is so heavy. But we have 3 trunks this side, 2 trunks the other. If you look in the playlist, you'll be able to see that more clearly than this is showing. Okay, and by cutting back all these long growths, I'm hoping that the tree will keep all its branches in tight. One issue with beech can be that a branch won't back bud past the last green bud, and if I pruned it beyond this bud, for example, that whole branch could die off, which obviously I don't want. So yeah, watch this space for further updates. Meantime, do all the usual YouTube things, the liking, the subscribing. The big dead piece there, I can trim that back some. The liking, the subscribing, all the rest really. What am I trying to say? I don't know. Don't you hate it when your mind goes blank? I do. That's better. That's pulled out a lot of dead pieces back to life. So hopefully that might even begin to callus over some more. That really is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the usual YouTube things, the liking, the subscribing, the commenting. Let me know what you think down below, and most of all though, please do take care of yourselves. Stay safe, everybody.